Greetings, and I'd like to welcome you all to another edition of Safety Guide Network. I am your host, Dwayne Tucker, and in today's edition, we'll be looking at the hierarchy of control and what the hierarchy of control is. So the hierarchy of control is a system that is used in the industry to manage the hazards that are associated with work tasks, right? So hierarchy of control has five components, right, that are there to assist safety practitioner to prevent injuries or loss of life or damage to property using these five steps, right? So the very first step that is the very first step on the hierarchy of control is called elimination, right? Because as a safety practitioner, the aim is to eliminate the hazard in total, right? So to get rid of it. So in that way, they ensure that the person will be safe or the property will be safe or the information will be safe. And the second task would be substitution. So you try to find a better way or better method of performing the task. And the third method is what we call engineering control or ergonomics. So you try to design the tools or the working area that will help the staff or the employees to perform desired tasks in a safe and suitable environment. And we have the fourth, which is administrative control. And what administrative control is, you create policies and procedure that are used by safety practitioner to guide the employees and reinforce the employees on a daily basis. You may put it up in signers, or you may have toolbox talk with your employees in the morning, each morning, to ensure they you will re-emphasize the importance of workplace safety. And last but not least, we talk about PPE. Many persons might have think that PPE would have come at the top of the list, but PPE is actually the last line of defense, right? Even though we as safety practitioner encourage employees to wear their personal protective equipment, it is actually not the first line of defense, right? So it's the last resort, right? So PPEs are encouraged, right? Because sometimes or in a lot of time the hazard that are associated with each job function, but PPE is not the first line of defense. So hope you guys have learned something, and stay tuned and look out for more of these videos, right? Because you know I am